Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're not new. My name is Michelle, and for today's video, let's do an updated luxury shelf tour. So I think it's been a while since I've done one of these, so yeah, let's go ahead and get started with today's video because we have a lot to cover. First and foremost, today is Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving to all of you. Very thankful to have all of you in my community here on YouTube. I love sharing my love of luxury with all of you, and yeah, looking forward to this next year together. Okay, so let's start all the way up here. I didn't really touch this, but whenever I get any new bags, and I like the box, I'll usually put it up top here. So I have one from Bottega Veneta, my Cartier shopping bag, the Dior, what is this? The box from last year. I love that holiday packaging. Box from Hermes, Dior, and then back over there is a Louis Vuitton bag that has like a bunch of dust bags in it. So when I'm not here, I actually just put all of these in dust bags so they don't get dusty. This bookcase, by the way, is from IKEA. It's the Billy bookcase, and I just love it. It's so simple. It actually comes with one more shelf, but I only used 4. This one I think was around $80. I don't remember what height it is, but I'll go ahead and put the item right over here and then also link it down below for you. Target also does have a more affordable one that's pretty much exactly the same, but yeah, I love it and it fits all of my stuff right now just perfectly. But yeah, so here we have our first kind of shelf. Over here I have my Etui Voyage. This is my Louis Vuitton on the go. I have my Louis Vuitton Petite Sac Plate, my Louis Vuitton Montsouris BB, and this one is hanging on a, oops, it's hanging on a purse hanger, and this one I got from Amazon, and I just love it because it helps just like add some dimension to like my shelf, and yeah, it just looks so much cuter hanging versus if it was just sitting on the shelf. Let me go ahead and put this back. This one is my Dior saddle flap card holder. Love this piece. It's so cute. I've had it for almost 1 year now. Joseph got this one for me last year on Christmas. Alright, so over here I have, that's my purse holder that I usually keep in my saddlebag. And this one's just holding up my Louis Vuitton tote bag. Usually I'll just really fold it up over here, but I like having it hanging right over here for easy access. And I just don't want to like keep it folded up, so yeah, it just hangs really nicely on the edge of my shelf. Okay, so moving on, over here I have this really cute jar that says Road Trip Fund. This one I actually got from the Dollar Tree and just love it so much. I put my extra cash in there. This arrangement is from a Venus et Fleur. This one was gifted, and I just love how it looks. It's just so pretty. Here I have, I don't even know why this is up here, but ever since I filmed that video on my YouTube with the YSL coffee mug, this just never left my room. I should probably put it back downstairs in the kitchen. This one is my and my husband's ring holder. It's from Etsy, and it just holds our rings for our wedding, and it has our names on it and then our wedding date. Here I have my jewelry holder. This one's actually a Supreme ashtray, and then I have my Louis Vuitton Confidential bracelet, my Louis Vuitton iconic earrings, and then my Cartier ring, and this one here, this little red thing, that's the travel pouch from Cartier. This one is my favorite perfume, as you guys know. This one is called Attrape, and this one just literally smells like a dream. Still love it, and I have no clue why it looks like I've never touched it, but it's slowly going down. Next is my newest handbag. This is my Bottega Veneta Mini Jody. And then over here, in order to hold it up, I have my Prada sunglass box. Behind here also is my twilly for my saddlebag, or what is it called? Mitsu scarf. So it's in there. And yeah, when I want to use it or put it around the strap of my saddlebag, I'll go ahead and do so. This little gift pouch, or what is this, a makeup pouch. This one was from the Chanel gift set. I love it. It's so cute. I just love the details. They did so good with the bag this year, and I was really lucky to get my hands on one. I saw it on the Chanel website and like quickly just checked out because yeah, so cute. Next I have my Dior saddlebag. I really just don't want to buy a new purse holder, the one that has like a curve, so I'm just managing with like this piece of foam. But yeah, I have this other gold purse stand from Amazon, and it works really well for unique shape bags, just like my Dior saddle. This next layer here, we have my Louis Vuitton Petite Noe. Love that bag. And then over here, I have my Speedy 30. And on top, I have my Celine hat and then also my Louis Vuitton beanie. And in both of these, in order to keep like its shape, I have inside organizers. So I have an organizer in here. And then in here, I also just keep some stuff that I don't really have a place for or just kind of don't want to show or have on display. So next I have my bum bag. I'm really contemplating. I think I might go in to see if I can get it exchanged. So I'll keep you updated on that, but I have my bum bag here and I stuff it with a dust bag so it helps keep its shape. Next I have my Louis Vuitton Montaigne BB. Love this bag. And then here I have my toiletry pouch 19 and 26. And then on the bottom, I have my Louis Vuitton Wonderland Flat Ranger boots, timeout sneakers, and then my Dior heels right over there. And yeah, that is everything that is on my luxury bookshelf. Here is just one last look of everything that's on it. Honestly, if I get anything else, I kind of just don't know where to put it, but yeah, that's everything that I have in my collection right now, or pretty much. I think there's only a few things that I don't have up here, but yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Happy to answer any of them, and I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!